Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to download a voice clip from Messenger. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead into the Messenger right here. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to double check if there is a newest updates on Messenger. If there is, just go ahead to do it. And if there isn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, go ahead to my browser. And if you want to download an audio from Messenger or voice clip, you can download it by opening Messenger in the browser on your laptop or desktop. At the side, just go ahead copy this link, right? HTTPS, and you're gonna enter m.facebook.com/messages, and after that, once you open the message box, click on play button, and then you should see an option to download, or else just copy the audio URL and then paste it in a new tab, then download. So basically that's it. Let's know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to follow us on social media, and we'll definitely see you in the next one.